Hello and welcome to Kalamwali by Media. Well, we know that we did not come up after the India-Pakistan thing and we did not upload a video for several months. But there's no way to come back rather than Christmas! Yes! So we are back on Christmas and we are not going to do some usual stuff like what to do on Christmas, kaun sa daru peene ka and stuff like that. This year I've come to Kirti College, a BMM department, and the reason being is they have a different kind of a secret Santa. So I'm going to ask a few people from that department that what exactly is their way of having a secret Santa. So let's check it out.
So we have Jeet Veera with us. He is a TYBMM student. So we are going to ask him that what exactly is Secret Santa. Jeet, what exactly is Secret Santa? What do you all exactly do in this college?
Actually, Secret Santa is all about distributing gifts to the needy and the poor people across the city. On the midnight of Christmas, we go across the city and we distribute gifts among them. And we give the gifts as in unknown people. We don't show them that we are giving gifts. And
Okay, so that is a very noble thing that these people do, that they don't want to come in the limelight and they don't want to focus on stuff like, we are actually doing something for the poor people. So we're going to know more about what exactly Secret Santa is and how it all started with other people around. Next up, we have Nikshit Pathani with us, also a TYBMM student. So Nikshit, how did Secret Santa actually start in this college?
First of all, thanks Kalamwali by Media for coming to our college. And talking about Secret Santa, Secret Santa is an initiative started by our alumni students, the ex-students, and it's been going around since 10 years. Okay. And there has been massive support by our coordinators, Neeraj ma'am especially. And talking about Secret Santa, it's an initiative which we started as a part of a festival called Moksha, and this is the 10th year, and so Secret Santa this year is also gonna be grand, and that's it.
Next up, we have Pratik Parkar, also a TYBMM student. I think all these TYs have decided that they're going to take charge of everything, and which is a good thing actually. People, please learn from this. So, can you tell me, Pratik, what exactly, what is the entire procedure? How do you execute the Secret Santa event?
So basically we first gather at a BMM department. From there we move on to of Mumbai, like from Worli to Matunga, Mahim, and then we basically end at Bandra, Mount Mary. That's the ending point of Secret Santa, where we end the distribution of our gifts to all the people on roads so that they can enjoy Christmas as well as do we people enjoy.
Now we have with us Dhruvanka Merekar, who is the head of PR from the BMM department of Kirti College. So Dhruvanka, I spoke to your classmates earlier in the video and they told me about the entire Secret Santa thing. But is it linked to any initiative?
Yes, of course. We have our festival coming up, that is Moksha 2017, and that is the reason the Secret Santa is carried out every year, which is connected to our fest. And our fest is the only festival in Mumbai which supports a social cause. So we came up with social cause like say no to drugs, then stop child labor, say no to trafficking. Yeah, exactly. And this year we have a social cause is road safety measures. So basically, guys, this is the 10th year of Moksha, and here we come up with the social cause road safety measures, and our themes is games. Games, I am sure that you love games like playing CS and then Super Mario. Yeah, all those games you guys play in your classrooms as well, sure. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure everyone is excited what is games and how are we going to come up with our events this year. So for that you really need to come to Moksha. This year it's going to be grand, really big.
Why is that so?
Because it's the 10th year of Moksha, Moksha is completing 10 years this time, and so this year road safety measures, because the accidents on road are really increasing day by day. Recently there is change in road rules, and then that's the reason we decided road safety measures, which is really needed, especially for the teenagers.
So could you tell the audience when is Moksha and when can they follow Moksha?
Yeah.
Where can they follow Moksha?
Moksha is 16, 17, 18 Jan, guys. 16, 17, 18. Okay, and you need to follow us on Facebook, that is Moksha 2017, Instagram Moksha 2017, and also on our Twitter handle, that is Moksha 2017.
That's cool. So, well, on the verge of Christmas and New Year, and with their theme also coinciding with whatever's happening right now. Do not drink and drive. Be safe and enjoy your holidays with your family. And yes, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Kalamwali by Media. Ishan Vishwanath signing off.